As a woman, it is important for you to know your blood type. In India, 5 to 10% women have a negative blood type, such as A negative, B negative, O negative, and AB negative. It's time to know more about your blood type. Consult your doctor today. A public health initiative by Bharat Serums and Vaccines Limited and Mankind Pharma Limited.
Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. Snehashish and I are here in Vadodara. We are out here for the final. I had completely forgotten. RCB versus Delhi Capitals loading and good win from Delhi Capitals yesterday night. Today our first the point that we want to discuss is what are the three factors that have worked for Delhi Capitals to on their road to finale, and what has worked for RCB? Let's start with the team which qualified for the finals first, RCB.
Yes, I know Tushadi had to do this thing. Let's start with RCB. Yes. Okay. For RCB, I think the Lauren Bell effect,
Yes.
along with Sally Sadgar, I will say.
Yes.
You know, with the new ball especially. I think they have been brilliant with the new ball. In a partnership, the way they have managed to keep the pressure on the batters, the dot balls effect, and the wickets also. Not only the maintaining the pressure and the wickets also. You know, we all know that in this format, how crucial it is to get early wickets, especially in the power play overs. So I think both of them have been brilliant throughout the season, and that have been a major part of their success.
Absolutely, and you know, Ellis Perry missing out was going to be a huge factor always, but the best cricketer.
Yes. Yes.
Nadine de Klerk has been outstanding, and I reiterate, I'm still not sure how was there not a bigger bidding war for Nadine de Klerk, but she has been sensational, winning winning a match with the bat. That is something that you still expect. But the 4 wickets each that she had taken in 2 matches, and she's chipping in with the wickets every game. So I think Nadine de Klerk, I don't want to use the word, but let's put it this way. Nadine de Klerk has helped RCB not miss Ellis Perry.
Yes, kind of. You have to say that now after all the performance that she has given so far, especially I think in the first game only. Just think about the situation where RCB in against Mumbai Indians in the opening game.
Correct.
I might be sound a little bit wrong, but in that situation maybe Ellis Perry would have struggled a bit.
Yeah, she also would have taken some time to settle in. But that last over, I would say, I think that's Nadine de Klerk special.
Exactly.
That a Richa can pull, a Grace Harris can pull. I don't know how much can a Perry pull.
Exactly.
And nothing against her. Absolutely not. We are huge Ellis Perry fans. But
it's like individual gameplay.
Yeah. Number 3,
you know, having several match winners. Even I think whenever the team were in danger situation, several different players, you know, stepped up and did the job. You know, for someone like Gautami Nair, no one expected Gautami to come out and play that beautiful 73 run knock against Gujarat. At number 5, everyone was thinking how this team will manage to have someone like Radha Yadav as a number 5 batter, but Radha Yadav scoring those 50s along with Richa. Richa is the batter in several games.
correct.
So and Grace Harris against her former team UP Warriors, both the games. So I think having match winners, you know, in different games that have helped RCB to get into the final.
Yes, I think every single game, you know, somebody or the other has stepped up. That's the most important part.
Even Smriti scored that 96.
Yeah, of course. Every single one, that Radha, Shriyanka with 5 wickets.
Yes.
And I think Shriyanka has hit some very important runs. 2 boundaries of the last ball. It's a huge difference. It makes a huge difference in momentum. It makes a huge difference in how a team goes back to the dressing room after batting. So I think overall, yes, that's a huge factor. Very few teams actually can say that, you know what, we have more than one match winners. We have more than one player of the matches as well. Now let's shift to the second team, DC, the team that recently qualified after winning the eliminator. Okay, DC point 1. See, I'll go with my points.
Yes.
Bowlers, of course. You know, bowlers win you tournament, bowlers make the base, and top 2 bowling sides are in the final. you have four. I think I've said this yesterday also. You have 4 out of DC's 5 main bowlers, 5 or 6 with Minu Manish Nehrana. You have
In
actually
top 10.
Yeah, in top 10, and all of them have wickets in double digit. I think Chanel Henry has been outstanding in the last 2 matches. Marizanne Kapp, while she has not been at her best, but the dot balls that she keeps accumulating puts the team under pressure, especially in the power play. And remember, Marizanne Kapp has barely bowled at the death from that RCB match specifically. Jamie always brings her back for 1 over in the middle and does not keep her towards the end. And then a Nandini Sharma, that young pacer. A lot of people have, initially were saying that, oh, she was taking wickets lower down the order, etc. But I think she has been phenomenal. And especially yesterday, she has picked up Ash Gardner. That ball, she's bowling to her feel. The back of her hand, slower ball is beautiful. Overall, Minu Mani has been very good.
And Charani in Vadodara.
Charani in Vadodara leg has been a revelation. Most importantly, they have attacked the stumps, which is where they have been
The basics.
absolutely outstanding. So, first key factor for DC is bowling. Number 2.
Yes. The second point must be, I think, the backing from the team management and captain when it comes to the the playing level, as you were mentioning in the last
Correct.
last game also, that they have gone with the same kind of playing level in most of the games. I think the backing
Not same kind of now. Out of 9 games, 7 games they had the same playing level.
So yeah, because if you see the result in the earlier games, they are not getting the
Correct.
the right result for them. But still, they back those players.
Yes.
Doesn't matter whoever scores, and I mean, that gives more clarity to their thoughts to players also, different players, and that gives them the belief that okay, team management has belief on us.
Yes.
Doesn't matter if we fail 1 or 2 games,
Yeah.
but if we score runs, they have that belief and we can get the result, and that only happened. Now they are in the final, so I think that is very good because ultimately a new captain and for her it's a new management
Yeah.
to deal with.
Yeah.
So I think huge credit to both Jemimah the captain and obviously
Jonathan Betty.
Jonathan Betty the coach.
I think number 3 and the most important factor is number 3. Number 3 and number 4.
Yeah.
Jemimah Rodriguez and Laura Woolworth. We were a little confused that would Jemmy come at 3? Would Jemmy give up the third place for Laura? And she did. Laura Woolworth at number 3, Jemimah Rodriguez at number 4. They have won 5 out of 9 games chasing, out of which in 3 games Laura Woolworth has remained not out, and in 2 games Jemimah Rodriguez has remained not out. What does that signify? That signifies they have played their role to perfection in those 5 games. Maybe in a few other games here and there, they needed to be a little more towards the end. I would say that they needed to be not to lose their shape, not to lose the wicket, but overall the point is Laura Woolworth and Jemimah Rodriguez, what was their role? Their role was to be the anchors of the chases of the batting unit. They were to be the pivotal points around whom the entire batting unit would revolve. And the best part is both of their strike rates, Jemmy's is quite high. Even Laura's is about 130.
130.
And to play a sheet anchor role and then to also score above 130, and also as someone who does not hit a lot of sixes, I think Laura Woolworth and Jemimah Rodriguez have been absolute factors, absolute steadying factors of the batting, of the Delhi winning, and they are going to be a key factor if
final.
Delhi now has to break that jinx and finally reach that trophy.
Absolutely. I think the whole batting lineup revolves around these two only.
Yeah.
So I think again in the final also they will be very crucial.
Absolutely. And I just wanted to add one line to that backing point, Jemimah as a leader on the field.
Yeah.
You can say as much as you want that she talks a lot, does that. But Nandini Sharma misses a run out, she's there clapping. Somebody misses a catch, arey, well done, yeah. Somebody takes the field, takes a good, stops a good ball. She actually runs from the inner circle to the boundary to give a high run.
Sorry.
Marizanne Kapp coming out to bat, she walked 5 paces with her and kept saying, Kapp, you can finish it, Kapp, you can finish it. And probably a Marizanne Kapp, we feel that Marizanne Kapp might not need it, but at the end of the day, you always want people to believe in you, even
Things are not going at your way.
Yes, and somewhere when you have started doubting yourself because you could feel Marizanne
Yes.
Kapp was, I feel Marizanne Kapp will be a different beast to handle in the final. Now that boundary happened, now that
She's still not happy that her
Yeah.
both skill are not working in a single game.
exactly, and that is where I'm saying when somebody like Marizanne Kapp, and it's not easy to manage Marizanne Kapp, not about moody or anything. It's just that she's such a thinking cricketer. She's a perfectionist. In that case, someone like Jemmy, someone like Shafali, Kapp smile. So that environment is very very nice.
Yeah.
Again, RCB same thing, friends all around. It's Smriti squad. So I think for them also the gelling well, the team environment has worked. Our prediction for the final, you think we are mad? We are going to predict and jinx anything? No. But we will keep coming back with more videos. We'll keep coming back with more insights because one more match to go.
Yes.
And it's the all-important final between RCB versus Delhi Capitals. Royal Challengers Bengaluru versus DC.
Yeah.
RCB versus DC. But you too have to keep your side of the deal, which is very simple. Like, share, subscribe, and come back to keep watching the videos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
As a woman, it is important for you to know your blood type. In India, 5 to 10% women have a negative blood type, such as A negative, B negative, O negative, and AB negative. It's time to know more about your blood type. Consult your doctor today. A public health initiative by Bharat Serums and Vaccines Limited and Mankind Pharma Limited.